to Rubik's Cube. I'm Himanshu and today we are going to finish with edge pairing, also with some edge parities. And yes, we are also going to finish up our 5x5 cube. Enjoy! In the last video, we had a situation where we didn't have the third pair on the left side of the cube. If you remember, I'll start with solving that situation and also show some more edge parities. We will do LLI U2 times LLI U2 times F2 times LLI F2 times RR U2 times RRI U2 times LL 2 times. Now we will show some edge parities, but before that I would like to introduce you to the flip algorithm, which is RI F R FI R UI RI. Simple flip. This piece goes that side, this piece goes that side, and this piece goes that side. Bring down here and a flip setup here. Bring up here and a flip down there. Where middle is flipped on both the sides. Where middle matches the outer two cubes. Parity pairing. I hope you would have guessed that you simply now have to solve this as 3x3 plus 2 parities. So, looks like 5 by 5 gave us some less work. Thanks 5 by 5.
Now that we have solved 5 by 5, my next episode is probably going to be on 2 by 2 or pyramids. Oh wait, let us do our toss. If tails, we are going to do 2 by 2, and if heads, we are going to do pyramids. Coin please. Oh, it's tails. My next episode will be on 2 by 2.